Welcome to the course of learning computer vision with OpenCV and Python. My name is Ibrahim. I am a computer engineer with master degree and I am a PhD student working on computer vision. In this course, we are going to learn computer vision and image processing from scratch. You will have many examples and reach all of the resources. You will learn key concepts without the heavily mathematical theory, so you can focus the implementation. We will learn computer vision by using OpenCV, that is an open source computer vision library used and supported by many people. In first, we will look at the basics of image processing. You will also find special examples beside the fundamental topics, because the important point is that what you can do by using the functions in OpenCV. We will make color detection example and key points. Also, in this chapter, we will make an special application using key points and a game hit the ball. In this game, we will make a ball move our actions. And in segmentation part, we are going to learn image segmentation. And another special application, people counting. In this application, we are going to count people passing from a point from a horizontal line. And in the tracking chapter, we are going to learn OpenCV tracking APIs, and also we will develop our own algorithms. We will track a selected row, a selected object in the image. We will track by using color filtering. We will track the red objects here, and also we will make a special application counter-based tracking. And in the end, we are going to learn object detection. We will see the Cascade classifier in OpenCV. We will make face and eye detection, and we are going to learn histogram of gradients, and we will make pedestrian detection in a special dataset. And in the end, we are going to learn how we can use object detection by using OpenCV and deep learning. In this application, we are going to use OpenCV DNN module. Also, I may add some extra videos. That's the main topics for now.